It's a complete waste of time.
You and I are products of that.
May have been a great idea in the 1960s.
And this obsession, national obsession to take the UPSC.
Yes, it's a complete waste of time because frankly...
You and I are products of that in the sense that our
parents were, and it may have been a great idea in the 1960s, but times have changed. I mean, being a stenographer may have been a good option for somebody in the 1940s. So what? So technology has changed. And it is not just changed, it is now become a routine affair. Every few months your phone is getting upgraded and is able to do something new. Now I cannot have a curriculum that can keep up with it in the way that university education currently functions. Upgrading my entire professor faculty in that way is very difficult to do. So AI will just be vastly superior at delivering cutting edge knowledge. Now, that doesn't mean that universities have nothing to do. They're just that doing it the way they're doing it today is a waste of time. So what you need to do is to much more oriented toward apprenticeships and actual skills, because the industry is ahead of academia.
Yeah.
Right? So you need to get people into jobs early. In fact, there are people like Elon Musk or Wembu here in India, who and I subscribe to it, that you should actually think that at 18 people find jobs and they go to work and they do degrees on the side. And, immediately somebody will say, oh, but what about the social aspects of going to university? Well, guess what? Till the 20th century, people didn't have social lives. In fact, even today, the bulk of human beings don't go to university. They have social lives?
I just felt I was wasting my time in college. I was getting the education, but there were 5 to 6 hours where I was doing nothing, and I felt like...
Well, I hardly ever attended the class, so I enjoyed university, but it had nothing to do with attending class and imbibing.
Yes, you can do so much more because today technology.
Yeah, so I would have thought if systems allowed me then, I would have preferred to be at work at 18.
Yeah,
and do my classes online and take exams. And yes, you can for practicals. For example, if you want to learn surgery, you still have to go and learn it,
correct,
or whatever. For those kinds of things, you have classes.
So different models,
different
right?
models
different
need to
modules also. Yeah. So this universalization, which the BJP gets attacked for, that you want to universalize and you want to make one model for the entire country for everything, including education. Now,
but that can be then, you see, it can be free and open. So already the IITs, this morning only, they announced that if you want to leave after 3 years, you'll get a BSc from IIT. And I think IIT Madras or somebody has just issued this. I think it's great. And I think this should be allowed. So there are many things in the new NEP that allow for this freedom. The problem is it also includes in it outdated ideas like 4-year university degrees. Why do you need to go to university for 4 years? If I can do 3 degrees in 1 year, that's my problem.
It's going to cause disruption in many ways, and that disruption is good, you feel.
Absolutely good. Yeah. We need to embrace it. Artificial intelligence needs to be embraced. And will it cause a great deal of disruption? Yes, it will. But those of us who imbibe it fast will be able to use it as a tool to upgrade ourselves. After all, what is technology? Technology is basically something that allows a low-skill person to do a high-skill job. Okay? So now somebody with lower skills can do things that would have required a lot of training and education earlier. So it would have taken you a long time to reach the level of knowledge of a top-end lawyer. Today, AI can make a 18-year-old with a high school degree be able to get to at least some part of the journey. Now you may still need some, at the margin, non-codified knowledge of a lawyer will still be needed. But 80% can be done.